Hello everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Today we are going to make one of my childhood favorite. Every time I went to the cider mills, I always got a caramel apple. Now they have caramel apple plain or they have caramel apple with nuts. Now I'm not going to put the nuts on today.
I'm putting it on mine.
My mom's putting the nuts on hers. But anyways, we're going to make some caramel apples. I've got 4 apples here. And I've got some baking. Oh Lord. I got some baking caramels right there. They're Brach's Chewy Classic, great for baking, and they have a wonderful taste. Now you will have to peel the wrappers off, and we're going to add a little bit of water. Now you can put water, milk, but we're going to use water and to thin it out, and we're going to heat it up in the microwave, and then we're going to put some little sticks into the apple, and we're going to dip it on in. Now since my mom wants nuts on hers, I chopped up some nuts right here. I had some leftover peanuts, and anyways I just chopped them on up. So I didn't want any on mine, but she wants it on hers. But what we're going to do is we're going to do a simple recipe today where we're going to dip some caramel apples. We're going to make some caramel apples, and we're just going to dip them in the caramel. And this is a lovely treat. All the kids will love this. Everybody loves caramel apples. I know it's definitely one of my favorites when I went to the cider mills. What I have done is I've chopped up our peanuts right there because that's what my mom wanted. And then I also have 4 apples right here that I put the sticks in. I took some old kebab sticks that you have, you know how you do those kebabs. And anyways, because I couldn't find the sticks that you put into the apples. So I just took one of those and cut it in half and just used our kebab sticks. So if you have a hard time finding those apple sticks or whatever you want to call those, you can use your kebab sticks. And that's what I've done for this video. What I've done is I have taken one of my cutting boards and I put parchment paper down. You definitely want to put parchment paper down because when you start to do this, it's going to be very fast and the caramel sticks. So you don't want a bad cleanup where you have to take a scraper to get the caramel off. So you definitely want to put down parchment paper on it. That way the caramel sticks to that. Here are our 5 apples that I dipped in our caramel. Okay everyone, here is our caramel apples. Now I did 2 of them and I just put very, very light nuts on the 2 caramel apples because my mom just wanted some nuts on it, not a lot. Anyways, I just sprinkled some over the caramel apples. Anyways, this is our short video. It reminds me of the days that I would go to the cider mill and stuff, and I always got caramel apples every time we went to the cider mill. This is a wonderful treat to make. It is a little time consuming, but it is a wonderful treat to make and very rewarding. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that way every time I come on you know. I want to thank all of our subscribers out there, and if you're watching this channel for the first time, please click the subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Plus it helps our channel to grow. Thank you again for watching this video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.